Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Google Nest camera using Google Home app. Full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Google Nest camera using the Google Home app, first, ensure that your camera is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon located in the top left corner of the main screen. Select Setup Device from the menu options. Choose New Devices to initiate the setup process. The app will search for available devices. Wait a moment for your Nest camera to appear on the list. Once it appears, select your camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi network. You may need to scan the QR code displayed on your camera screen. After scanning, the app will guide you through the authorization process. Be sure to grant any necessary permissions, such as access to your location. Once your camera is connected, you'll see a confirmation message on your device. Finally, customize your settings as desired, such as notification preferences and camera name. Your Google Nest camera is now authorized and ready for use through the Google Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.